Need to record a journal entry but not sure where to start? This guide will walk you through the process with an easy depreciation example in AutoCount. You can watch this video to understand it step by step.
In AutoCount system, journal entry, you go to GL, journal entry, and then press the new button. Over here, you type the description. Here is the depreciation of January 2026. Let's say dated the 31st of January, and then account number 903, depreciation of fixed asset, and then add this 2005. Furniture and fittings, accumulated depreciation, and then 3006, accumulated depreciation office equipment, and then the last one is 5005, ICT computer. Then only you key amount 290, debit and credit 80, 160, and then 50. That's all. Journal entry very simple, and depreciation actually will happen every month. For the next month, you no need to key in manually again. I show you the shortcut way. If let's say February happened on the same amount of this depreciation value without need additional asset, you just right click and then apply this copy to a new journal entry function. So after apply, just change the date to then the 8th of February, and over here January you change to depreciation FEB. And here the detailed description you want to change, you can change here one by one. But I'm trying to imagine if let's say you got 100 of asset, it's not possible to change one by one. That's why I will show you the shortcut way. Just use this function, or you just right click, use the select all function. After that, right click again, use the range set function. This range set function you can apply for debit amount, credit amount, agent, anything. But I want to show you is the description. You take the description and then double click this January and then change to February. So depreciation you change to February and then apply. The system will update all the detail in one shot. After done, we save. Press the save button. The system already captured two payment voucher. The next part I will explain on the report. Thank you.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.